Hello friends! Have you ever made a mistake? Or are you making mistakes all the time? If the answer is yes, then this video is perfect for you. Come on, join me and let's go! Hello friends, my name is Mario Becchi and these are the psychology tips for sport, learning and life. Have you ever made a mistake? I believe so, because everyone makes mistakes, and so did I. Today I will make a confession to you about my biggest mistakes, and I will also tell you how you can gain this challenging experience. Have you noticed? I didn't say bad, because it is not bad, it's challenging. It may push us forward. Sometimes we are pushed into these situations which are quite challenging for us. For example, if I didn't make a bad decision and pick up the wrong high school for me, I wouldn't remind myself that I wanted as a little boy to study human behavior. This experience, even though it was very tough, reminded me that I want to become a psychologist. I want to become someone who knows how the mind and body cooperates together and how our behavior works. We do also make decisions that are based on our moral background, and so did I in the university. And if I didn't make this wrong decision and pick up the wrong thesis for my annual project, I wouldn't experience something that changed my actual career. I wouldn't stumble into golf, which became my great passion and also basis for my actual work, for my actual job. Another example, if I didn't make a bad decision and move to a wrong city, to a wrong job I thought in the beginning, I wouldn't gather a valuable experience with working with children with behavioral problems. And this shaped my actual job as well. And sometimes we are pushed in our lives with such experiences that are crushing us to the ground. If I didn't make a bad decision to pick up wrong translators for my first book, I would stay one author, one sad, lonely author of one book. If I would publish only this one book and gain money, I wouldn't do nothing in my life because I was too lazy. This experience, this losing all our money just before the birth of our son, made me realize that I need to push harder. I need to overcome my fear of, for example, public speaking, fear of meeting people, even though my job was meeting people. I wouldn't experience something amazing, something that changed my life very positively. All our gruesome, bad, crushing experience is a blessing. So I improved that book, I improved my coaching program, and as a reward for that, I gained customers from Australia, France, Sweden, Austria, Germany, USA, Mexico, all around the world. And we are now creating all new books and all other new products. This is such a blessing, and I am thankful for every new day that I am learning new things and experience new challenging situations. Before improving your life, before feeling better, before gaining more, first you must embrace your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Every one of us is making mistakes. The thing is how we handle these situations. Are we ready to improve our lives? Because if we are making mistake, it is a sign that something is not all right, that we are not pushing harder, that we are not challenging ourselves harder, and we can do much more than we are doing now. Don't be afraid of your mistakes. Don't be afraid of failing, and you will be rewarded if you overcome them and make yourself a better person than you were yesterday. Mistakes are here to help us to find a right path in our lives. And I wish all of you all needed strength, and I encourage you to make mistakes, to learn from them, and become better than you were yesterday. If you want to learn more about our wonderful team, our friends from around the world, who help us to create new products for mind and body so we can achieve better results in sport, learning and life, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, and visit the links posted down below this video so you can experience more that we are creating. Have a wonderful day and see us in the next video. Ciao!